Well, good morning. It's officially June 8th, Monday, first day of the week. We're going to base freaking hit it like usual. We're going for payouts. We're going to get those accounts funded for you guys this week. We're going to have some fun this week because honestly, it's another opportunity for us to hit our goals, to make the money we all desire so we can live financially free. With that being said, at 9:25, I'm going to give you where all the stuff I'm looking at's at, just so that way we're all on the same page for this morning. Hopefully you enjoyed your weekend because, man, oh man, the weekends are the best time for you to reflect, reset, and get mentally sharp for the upcoming week for trading. Because what we're doing here is a skill, and I'm excited that all you guys are here with me this morning so we can all have some fun. We can all print together and win together. Hopefully you had a good weekend. If you had a good weekend, throw in the chat what you did in the weekend. Let's see who had the best weekend in here. I was just chilling at the house, relaxing, streaming with you guys for the hangouts. That was my weekend this week. But just know, when we're in Europe for 3 weeks, things going to look a lot different. We still streaming, but it's going to look different. Good morning, Brett. How you feeling, fam? Let me get my yellow lines. We gotta get those yellow doodles on the chart. Good morning, Noah. Good morning, Bills. Bro, you gave me all it. I didn't give you anything, bro. It's a giveaway for a reason. I have no control over how fast or how slow your duck goes. Keep showing up for the streams and you'll possibly have a duck one day that wins. My doodles. Good morning, Raven. Good morning, Ray. Another day, another dollar. Or a couple, hopefully. We're going to see what we get. It's kind of interesting, right? Because on Friday, right after I ended the stream a few minutes early, this thing just took an absolute dump. Absolute dump. So I'm curious to see, are we getting ready to reclaim that 1,300 points that we lost? Because that would be pretty wild. That'd be pretty wild that we reclaimed all 1,300 points that we lost on Friday. We're going to see. We got that close. The close from Friday, 829.25. 829.25. So, crazy, crazy, crazy. What's up, BP? BP, jump on the call, bro. I'm on here by my lonesome right now. No one's in here yet. It's weird. Ugh. I gotta stop because I made breakfast this morning like usual. My egg whites with toast. You know what I'm saying? And I started watching a movie on my phone. I'm like, oh, I gotta stream. What am I freaking doing watching a movie before the stream? This is crazy. So if anyone's ever wondered, I wonder what he does to get prepared for the market. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I cook some egg whites with toast. I eat it normally sitting at my dining room table, watching something on my phone. And then from there, I come upstairs, set everything up, and we freaking print. I'm not doing market analysis for 2 hours before, none of that. We just be chilling. Good morning, BP.
Yay, what's up, man?
Another day in paradise. You get that account yet or no?
I was thinking about doing it right now.
Well, that's up to you, bro. Or just pocket that money, you know what I'm saying?
For anybody who missed out, yesterday Duane did a huge giveaway for the community, and I got lucky enough to be blessed by being one of the winners.
BP did get lucky. I don't know how he keeps winning. We're going to have to see what he's putting in his ducks because, man, they keep winning. What's up, Bishop? Good morning, bro. Like, I just don't get it. Oh, it's 9:25. So let me give you where all my stuff. I'm looking at the 2-minute chart. The 2-minute chart for the Nasdaq futures this morning. So the VWAP, our VWAP, volume weighted average price, sitting down there right around 202 level, 202, 29,202. The 21 EMA, 533.50, 533.50. We have a pivot point, 409.75, 409.75 for that pivot. Next pivot we have above us is all the way up there at 30,038. Woo! Crazy, crazy, crazy. We're going to have some fun today. Then we got the close from Friday, 829.25, 829.25. And for everyone that's new in here, listen, we don't care what direction the market moves in. We wait for our moves. We base freaking hits, and that's it. You're like, oh, Duane, what do you mean? Just wait for the move. I don't care if the market goes up or down. And the cool thing is about that, we're never really like over trading or trying to overtrade because we take our time. We're looking for A++ setups. No A++ setup, don't take a trade. That's how you stay at bad trades, and that's how you maximize your good trades. Only taking your A+ setup. So keep that in mind today, because who knows what's going to happen. We got news today at 10 o'clock as well. News at 10 today. Let's see what news that is. The employment trends is at 10. We got 11, 11:30. I'm not going to be here for the, I'll be here probably for the 11, but not the 11:30. Good morning, Ed. Yeah, we're going to get it, bro. I got to trade multiple funded accounts, rotate through those as quick as possible today. And then I'm going to trade. I forgot to turn it off, but I got hit for some 150K accounts. So now I'm going to get those things passed so I can say I got 250K funded. User 98611. That top chart is not time based. JT, good morning, bro. Hopefully everybody ready. Hopefully everybody ready. BP, what you thinking for today?
That's a great question. Honestly, I'm not sure. I didn't get enough time, like you said. I wasn't looking at the markets before.
Hey, that's the best way to do it. You gotta just wake up, roll over, and execute that move you see. That's it. That's how you really maximize your trading. I'll tell you that. Less is more, folks. Less is more. Let's make that bigger. Cool.
If the market wants to dump today, I think NQ is going to be weaker for shorts because yeah, it already came and swept out. Let's see, what was this? Friday PM highs, and then ES hasn't swept out the same PM highs yet.
Okay.
So technically, if today is going to be a short day, then NQ could still experience shorts, like for sure. But then, like technically, ES would probably go and deliver before.
Oh, from your lips to God's ears. I just want to see some clean moves today because I want to freaking make some smoney's this morning.
Yeah, I guess for like step one, what I'd want to see in like the next like minute we have going is for I guess ES and NQ just to like shoot up and then re-correlate together.
Okay. So BP's looking for a recorrelation.
And if we
I'm looking for anything.
Probably gonna see some kind of downwards push.
Well, it's 9:29. We're already getting some selling pressure. Good morning, Rob. So, yeah, we're going to see what we get here. Market's getting ready to open. 10 seconds. 10 seconds for market open. No full porting. No full porting user. We don't full port. We're trained specialists. We don't have to full port. There's market open. There's market open. I think Steve will be back this week. He was on vacation last week, doing what he does at the beach, in the woods, doing it all.
Yeah, he's living his best life.
Oh, 100%. He shot me a picture. I'm like, bro, you're living the dream. All right, those buyers stepped in pretty aggressively there at market open, so that's good to see. But I gotta remind myself, I gotta wait till 9:45. Personally, it's not a rule from a prop firm or anything like that. It's a rule for myself. I wait till 9:45 before I execute any trade, so that way I can be a little bit more safer in the markets, and it shows to myself that I can have discipline to wait 15 minutes before trading. So let's see what we get. Looks like the bulls are trying to pump. Are they going to get the pump? That's the question. Because looking at the 2 minute, if you zoom out, that's looking like a slight bull flag there. But the bulls have to win that battle right now, because those bears, they want to take us lower. That we came up way too high. They trying to lose some more. Because I was watching, like, just looking at the charts over the weekend for a little bit. Yo, the amount of flags that printed were wild. Tons of bear flags on Friday. Then just through the overnight last night, there was tons of bull flags printing. So it's like, guys, bull flags, bear flags, they pay. You just gotta know what you're looking for. Oh man, I had to work out today. I'm excited to work out, but nervous all at the same time, because I tweaked my knee on Saturday, helping Brenda move someone she knows that I've never met a day in my life. I literally had to move a 3-bedroom apartment by myself, so I was annoyed about that. But we still gonna put that work in today. I'm gonna tell my trainer, hey, can't run today, put me on the elliptical or like the stair climber, but I ain't pounding a day on the pavement. Yeah, these bears get ready to possibly take us down to that pivot point. 410's that pivot. Oh, this is so annoying, because I really want to jump in on this, but yeesh. Because I see that pivot getting tagged. 410 is my pivot on the 2 minute chart. And that thing looks like it wants to go and get tagged. So I'm going to have to watch it happen. Just give myself more confidence that I see what's happening. What's up, Versace? Good morning, bro. Hopefully, all you guys on the YouTube streams on the horizontal and vertical had a solid weekend. I know I did. And we're back once again. Oh, man. Is it going to give us a little bear flag right here? That would be probably the best for everyone that's trading flags with me this morning. Give us a little bear flag here. But like I said, that pivot wants to get tagged.
Yeah, yes, it's dumping.
Yeah. The cap said ES is dumping. Oh, boys.
Yeah, so you see the lows that we have at like 8. They're about to get taken on ES.
Well, if ES takes those lows, Nasdaq may follow.
Yeah, then it's got to go recorrelate, so that could be an easy trade.
Well, I just
It's gonna reverse.
we're getting ready to tag this 410, which I called out. I should have taken it, but I'm trying to respect my rules. We were what, a tick off that 410? Well, there we go. There's the 410. Bam. It's almost like we know what it's trying to do sometimes. Let's see. I would like to see us build a bear flag at this point. Personally, this would maybe the area we build it in. Let me drop this line down. Let's see what we get. Because whenever we tap these pivots, EMAs, and VWAP, there's always some type of a reaction. And you gotta wait to see what that reaction is going to be. If you're trying to trade as safely as possible. I don't know how y'all trade. I just know for me, whenever we're getting ready to tag a VWAP, EMA, or the pivot, and I'm in a trade, as soon as we tag it, I close. Not because I'm afraid that I can't make more money, but I know those levels, there's always a reaction. And if you're trying to figure out what reaction you're going to get, you're gambling. So I lock in the sure profit and we wait.
I feel like I really want to see a rejection right here, because if we start respecting like 440s, then I think we're going to go back up.
Okay. Well, we bounced pretty quick off that pivot.
Yeah.
We're trying to print a bear flag right now on the 2. Keyword trying to print a bear flag. Trying, folks, trying. The bears have to step in and rip it down. But we got that pivot point at the 410 level, so we still would need to get through that pivot at this point for me, since we already tagged it and popped up. For me to want to actually take it short, we would need to get below that pivot at this point for me. And it gives me more time to wait till 9:45. So we have some selling pressure. Trying to step in here. Are the bears going to rip this down? Watching my Renkos dance. Bulls trying to step in. Just be patient, folks. Be patient. We got some buying pressure right in here, so that's what I'm saying. Be careful. We have buying pressure sitting right where this price is currently sitting at, so not trying to get your face ripped off first thing in the morning. So we have patience. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting ready to run up to the EMA on the 2-minute chart. That EMA is sitting right up around 508. Well, now sitting closer to like 509.75. So I expect us to run up to it, possibly tag it. Oh, bear step in. Look at that selling wick. You gotta learn how to read the wicks, folks. They'll help you not take bad trades. I said help. It won't prevent you from taking bad trades, but it will help you from taking bad trades. For everyone in the horizontal and vertical, make sure you're hitting that like button. In the vertical stream, hit that like button for me, because when you do, it lets YouTube know they need to get more traders just like yourself. Quality traders that want to win the markets each and every day to secure their financial freedom. So hit that like button for me. And this thing's just chopping right here a little bit. Looks like we built some structure for a flag, but I'll be waiting for that break. Here comes the break too. Oh, woosah, Duane. Woosah, it's okay. It's okay. You're honoring your rule. You got literally 6 minutes. You've waited this long, you can wait 6 more. Yes, I talk to myself sometimes. If you don't talk to yourself as a trader, are you even a trader? Just say, Rob's already up $800. Bang! In 10 minutes, my dog's up 800 bones. You know what I'm saying? What else can we do? Make $800 in 10 minutes. Just saying. Good job, Rob.
I just took a little tiny stab, made like $40.
Hey, green's green, bro.
Yeah.
You took a short. You tried taking a short?
Yeah, I did. My plan was to hold for at least 3 minutes and see the reaction, but I just fumbled immediately because I was like, "Oh, I'm up a little bit. Let's just take it." No greed today. No greed today.
Yep, no greed. Green's green.
I also was telling myself I would like to see a candle closure below like the last low to like truly like mitigate this little bullish zone we have right here.
Yeah.
I was trying to like hopefully get us through like.
Yeah, I'm not going to be looking for anything until we get below 410 if I'm looking for a short.
I like that idea. That's a good idea.
I want to get through that pivot if I'm trying to go short here. Until we get through that pivot, I'm not touching for a short. Morning, yes. Because we're in between the pivot and the 21 EMA right now. So we got 2 magnets pulling it on different sides. So that's why I'm just sitting and waiting. We got news at 10 o'clock today, news at 10.
We went from, my bad.
No, go ahead. You're good.
I was gonna say we went from having like a little bit of like a higher time frame bullish SMT because we've been trying to watch as like NQ's trying to push down to recorrelate for bearish, but now the lower time frame is looking a little bit more bullish. So we'll kind of have to see what happens next. To negate that idea, I think I'd be looking for a candle closure below like 420.
Okay. Yeah, right now we're consolidating. So reminder, consolidation happens before the move. We're going to go up there. Looks like we're going to tag. There's that 21 EMA we just tagged. Let's see how we react off of it. Okay. I got less than 4 minutes left and I'm clear to trade. I need to at least put $150 in each funded for the trading day. So, not going to be greedy. Yeah, she's about to pump.
Dang, I should have. That would have been my quick TP for my trade I want.
583.75 is the high of the current range so far. The range is not completed yet, folks. We have a few more minutes for the 15-minute range to be completed. The EMA is sitting at 501.75, man. 21 EMA. I was already thinking, like, what if the Bulls try clearing the gap back up from where we were on Friday? That'd be pretty crazy. Wake up, Duane. Jesus. Like, I'm just like I'm holding my hands because I want to click the button so freaking bad. Even though there's not even like a move to click on yet.
Oh, good, Duane, you have exactly 30 seconds.
I'm waiting until 9:46.
Okay.
That's when the range is fully completed.
And 20 seconds.
For 9:46? That's only 9:44:40. Like,
yeah.
9:46 I'm waiting. So I got a whole another minute.
Yep.
Sadly. If this EMA holds us and acts as support, we'll probably keep going up for a little bit. But just be careful right now. Just be careful. Market's kind of choppy this morning. We have news at 10 o'clock today as well. So with that being said, we're just patient. We're being patient. We're waiting, anticipating what we're going to get. I have a rule that I can't trade till 9:46. I wait for the first 15 minutes each and every day for the markets to settle, and so I can see that opening range for the day, because I like trading using that first 15-minute range. Coming up to less than 20 seconds left, and I'm clear to trade. The range, the high for today's range is going to be 58375. 58375. The low of today's range down there at 39775. 39775. And the range is fully completed now. We're sitting right above the 21 EMA. I would want to see us get above 550, 550 for me to be looking for a long here. We did just print like a weird looking bull flag there, but that's okay. We're dialed in. We're anticipating. We clear that previous candle wick, that 550, 550. I'll probably jump in for a long, targeting the high of the 15-minute range here. But I want to see the follow through that level, 550, 550. Where the sellers don't step in right away, which they're doing now. And we never got above that 550, 550, so. Selling pressure trying to step in. Getting ready to tap that 21. Well, we actually did tap it. 21 EMA was just tapped. It was a love tap. It was a love tap. If we lose that 21 EMA, I may look for a short here. Tapping it again. We're still sitting right here, and we're close to the middle of the 15-minute range. I just peeped that. Let me not take any trades. All right, there's the middle of the 15-minute range. We just went through. I am not trying to get my face ripped off this morning, so being a little bit more patient today. $650 on the first trade of the day. We'll take that. Quick $650 in one of my select funded accounts from Tradeify. Let's rotate to the next one. I was wanting a little bit more. I could probably re-enter on that, on the same move I was looking for, but we're coming like right down on this yellow line, so I'll be holding and waiting. Let's see, we built a bear flag inside this, but we went more than 50% of the pull, so that's why I wasn't calling it out as a bear flag. Hey, I only need $150 in that account. we first trade, we just put 650 in it. So I ain't touching that account again for today. We're going to keep base hitting that thing all the way to Friday like usual. And we just keep it moving. I may be streaming this later in this week from Mexico. I'm not sure yet. Looking at jumping over there, see my orthopedic doctor for the knee. So if I do, we'll be streaming from Mexico later this week. Just giving you guys the FYI on that. But I want to jump in on this because let's break through my yellow line and maybe I'll jump in. Want to jump through that yellow line with follow through, and I'll be jumping in for a short. But we have to have the follow through. There's the tag of it. Come on. No. Wow. That pulled on me. I just blew an account right there. Oh, that's Aggie. That's Aggie. And watch it do what. Oh, not switching that account. God, no. Man, that's so Agginess right there. I just blew a funded account. Granted, that was a fund I had just gotten, so it's not like I took payouts on that one yet. But that's annoying. Woosah. Are you trading on the Renko charts or the other charts we see? The trades are on the Renkos. Rest in peace to that soldier. You know what I'm saying? He just got promoted too. That one just got promoted. And just took his shirt off the 21 Smack 400. Hey, let's go. Short. You took his short. I'm like, oh, you took your shirt off. Congrats. Yo, it is hot up here today. We're back above the middle of the 15-minute range and above that 21 EMA as well. I have some decisions I had to make. Yeah. I'm going to add another Tradeify account. Give that a couple seconds to populate, then I'll throw this eval I just got from Tradeify because I just blew an account, which is annoying. Just got it freshly funded too. It is what it is. So that's why I'm waiting a little bit longer here to trade this Lucid funded. Just waiting to see what the market actually wants to do. We got news at 10 o'clock, so less than 6 minutes. Less than 6 minutes, we got news. I ain't trusting this. We gotta get through the middle of that 15-minute range and below 434.25 for me. Want to take a short? Brett, I took 2 trades. First trade on one of my funded 650. The next trade on a different account, I just blew a funded. I was in the green. I didn't close out. I was expecting a little bit more follow through. Turned right on me. I didn't close, thinking it was going to come back down, like it's trying to do right now. But it is what it is.
I've been muting and unmuting myself because I'm coughing, but I also was in that short, and I should have taken profit as well, and then it went up against me, but it hit my stop, which I only got taken off for like $200, which was not bad, but I was in the shorts too.
Yeah. Well, this is going to be the break I was expecting on the last one. But I'm like also like hesitant now.
I feel like this is the SMT order block down here that's been holding the market up. And yeah, kind of like where we wanted that candle closure on like 410 or like 400.
Yeah.
But technically, the start of it would be like 455. So it's like a bullish zone.
Okay. Yeah, because we keep bouncing in this area until we don't. What time frame your tennis running, please? On the two, I'm out actually on the wrong one. Check that out. Man, I'm all over the place. What is going on? Normally we're back on the 2-minute chart, 5-minute with the Rincos.
Dang, that's a really
580 right there on that trade. 580 printed on my Lucid funded account on that one. I saw the momentum. I jumped in. That's what I was kind of expecting on the last trade I just took, but it want to just wait around. The Rincos are not time frame based, sir. They're price based.
And with that, I definitely think the Bears have won.
Let me reconnect this real quick because I got another 50K select account. Whenever this, there we go. Let's get that populated. There we go. So I'll do the 50 first, then we'll switch over to the 150s. I'm coming, folks. Don't worry. I didn't forget about y'all. I'm switching through accounts here. Hey, let's go, Brett. Brett's up 672 for the day. So he broke out the 15-minute range, right? I want to see us retest the low of that range before we continue down because I feel like we could get a nice little strawberry waterfall. You know what I'm saying? I want us to retest the low of that 15-minute range, reject off of it, and take us lower. And we're going to print some more monies for the day. Away strawberry waterfall. Forecast. I'm not saying prayer for you, bro. You don't need a prayer. You need to stay dialed. Don't rush it. You have not been rushing the process, which I freaking love, bro. So take your time and just wait for the move. We got a pivot on the Ninja Trader. 344.17. 344.17 there. VWAP on what, bro? Because if you're on the 2-minute, we have not touched the VWAP yet. Tapping that pivot. I want to see us touch the low of that 15-minute range. Like, I need us to touch the low of that 15-minute range, even though we may not. That only happens 10% of the time. Now, I'm not trying to get caught with my pants down. Come on, take me to the low of that 15. Come on, bulls. Come on, stop dancing around. Just take me up there real quick. Let's reject off that thing and let's waterfall this thing. Below that pivot once again. I'd be very careful right here, folks. Very careful around this pivot. We have not tapped the low of that 15 yet. And until we do, I'll be nervous on taking any shorts. Bulls are trying to get back up there. Having some difficulties. News came out as well at 10. I wasn't even watching the time there.
Oh, shoot.
Yep, news came out at 10. I would want to see another bear flag form. But after we touch the low of that 15. Yeah, I feel like we're going to get it here. But we're kind of consolidating and chopping. I want just to see a quick swipe straight to the low of that 15. To give me the warm and fuzzies. Pop! There we go. Just touched the low of the 15-minute range. Now I'm ready for some shorts. Now I'm ready for some shorts here. Let's see if I could average where I'm hit. Oh, what's this? Oh. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Good morning, everybody. For all the new folks in here, welcome to the morning stream with Legacy Wealth Society and myself. We go live every morning, 9:20 a.m., where we're trading the New York trading session, the Nasdaq futures in Q, because we freaking print using it. And we talk game, we talk trading, everything on these morning streams. And then also every single night of the week, we have the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where we're fireside talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. So make sure you come back for those. Those are always a good vibe and fun time with you guys. Last night we did a giveaway. I gave away 8 memberships to the community. The community you can actually join for free. But on the paid tiers, you have access to my strategy, access to trainings, access to resources to get dialed and everything like that. So we gave away 8 memberships last night for a month for free. Congratulations to all those winners once again. Good morning, Niner. Listen, you didn't miss nothing. The market always produces opportunity. Remember that. Right now, I'm just waiting to get below the 15-minute range with some nice follow through, so I could possibly take a little shorty short, because I have a target down at 304.25. 304.25.
I've been in shorts since, let's see, 386, and I'm finally green. It's been a minute.
Hey, green's green, bro. Green's green. I'm just waiting to see like a solid move.
Partial there. When it gets there, please go down.
Not BP willing the market down.
Go down. Nope.
If we break below that 344.17 level, I'll probably take a short down to the 304 level. Hey, let's go, Forecaster. Forecaster's up 2K. Congrats, fam.
Do I be greedy and keep holding, or should I take it?
I can't tell you what to do with your money, fam. You know what I'm saying? Like, if we break below my yellow line and through that pivot, I'll probably jump in as long as we got follow through for a short. But it's the key thing. We gotta have that follow through.
Hey, they were fair this time. At least I got 200 because I closed for 250 and I got 200.
Hey, we're like, yes, the slippage wasn't as bad. Thank God.
Yeah, I was like, not 50% this time. Like 20%. I lost 20%.
We're sitting real close to that pivot. I want to see if we get through it with some follow through.
All right, time to rotate.
Rotate, rotate, rotate.
Actually, definitely got out of that short at a good time. Holy shit.
100%. I don't like that reaction we just had. Hopefully you guys are winning today.
I'm just proud of myself for not being greedy.
I feel you.
Yeah, let's see it. It's so close.
Yes. Close 840 on that one. Rotate, rotate, rotate.
That's such a W trade.
Hey, let's go, forecaster. Thanks for teaching me how to trade like no cap. You're welcome. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're welcome. This is the best thing you can do for yourself. Slow and steady, forecaster. Slow and steady. I would tell you, just like this, if you lose $200, walk away for the day. Come back tomorrow and do your simple basic, get that account funded. If you only need $100, size down a little bit. That's number one.
You could definitely make $100 if you're risking like 1 to 2 micros. I mean, 1 to 2 minis. You could definitely risk like 3 micros and make $100.
Yeah. Yeah. I took that long there just for a quick little green little trade because I saw inside the bear flag I'm looking for. I saw a slight little bull flag form in there. That's why I took it. But I'm still looking for a bear flag, to be honest. Yeah, drop it down a little bit, forecaster, so you're not risking as much. Because this is not time to be risking. Be only risking one. That's still solid, bro. 1 mini. But if you want to drop it down a little bit more, do like two or 3 micros. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you feel scared, bro, walk away, come back tomorrow, bro. Rob, have a good workout, fam.
I mean, I wonder one day I'd like to see what would happen if you tried to do a martingale day.
I do what?
A martingale day?
What is that?
So a martingale day is basically where you take all the profit you make from like your trade and then you put like all the risk up on that same trade, and then if you win that trade you would add whatever you made profit off of plus the initial risk. So like I've seen like people do that and it just goes crazy.
Yeah.
But I just think it's crazy. I mean, it's something to do more as like maybe like for a fun thing or like a challenge in the future, but not necessarily like a good way to like trade.
Duane, what's the lowest position she take? 1 mini. So if I'm trying to like just hit for a quick 50, $100 real quick, I'll drop it down 1 contract. And right now I'm waiting for a flag. I see the momentum, but I would like to see it correlated with the flag. You like how I did that, BP, correlated with the flag?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Since BP's on the market makers call, I had to throw that in there today. Yeah, just want to see it correlate with the flag a day. BP makes me smarter, believe it or not.
And you definitely make me more disciplined as well. I feel like I have way more patience when I trade with you. Like some days I'll literally just take like one trade.
Which is good because most traders can't even do that. Is this going to be our role here? Is this going to be our role? Patiently wait and print some more. Hey! Let's go, Forecaster.
Hey,
Forecaster just got funded. Congrats, fam. So this is what I need you guys to do. Just went ham, champ. $1,400 for 9. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go, boys. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Listen, if you're in the community, whenever you get funded and you get your certificate, post it in the community discussion. Post your wins, post your losses. I say that because it keeps yourself accountable. Because when you're keeping yourself accountable, that's when you'll start seeing better results, believe it or not. But congratulations to both y'all. Jonathan just passed 2 combines. Let's freaking go, boys. Everybody's printing this morning.
Yeah,
Love to freaking see it.
Jonathan.
That's what I'm talking about. Like, that makes me geek to trade some more. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was like getting ready to start pulling back a little bit. No, now it's full port time. You know what I'm saying? Jesus. Time for full port. Everyone's getting some. I'm up over $1,000 in between two funded accounts today as well, just base hitting. Thankful for those. I did have to RIP a soldier a day. Lost an account today. But it's one of those bittersweet ones because it wasn't something I had a lot of time in, so I didn't really care. Because now as I take more payouts from like the same accounts, like you started like take care of them a little bit differently. Like they're your little baby. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I won't let you blow up today.
Low key, yeah, we be watering our gardens every morning. We want to see it be more green.
Brad saying lovely Monday. Hey, love to see it, bro. This is going to be our flag.
About to cry, bro. I will cry with you. I know that feeling.
Hey, you put the time in. You've been base hitting. You've been following your rules. And that's why you were able to achieve what you achieved today, sir. I'm proud of you. Like a proud father. I'm proud of you, sir. Brett, you doing what you gotta do, bro. Keep doing what you're doing. And I'm actually probably gonna, after I have 3 more accounts I need to trade. And if I trade them, I'm gonna add me a TPT account today. You heard that correct, folks. I'm shooting for a Pro Plus account with TPT, where it's the 90-10 split. I'm gonna sacrifice an extra 10% for like the first like $10,000 in payouts from the account so I can get put in the Pro Plus. Because I told myself, like, if I did have TPT, right? Yeah, I hit it out the park. Like, I saw like 10 grand a day on one account, which is technically doable. I could literally pay myself 8 grand for the day. So why am I not doing that? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why why am I just letting those accounts sit on the sidelines? I checked myself. And I saw this one dude, not gonna lie, I forget his name. He was on YouTube. He took a $8,000 payout from TPT. I'm like, you know what? I like that. I like that. If he did, I could definitely do it. We be base hitting way too easily over here. We're always scoring. Even the chat be scoring. That's how much we scored. Just saying.
I feel like the short's coming.
Yeah, I low key want to jump in here.
I'm gonna set an order at 4:30.
We get to all right. We just went through the trade 410 level. Let's see if we lose this 410. If we do, I'm jumping in.
I knew the short was coming.
I saw it and felt it as well, but at this point, I'm not going to chase it. I'll wait till we break through my yellow line with the follow through, and then I'll jump in there. Not jumping in before. Not chasing it. Because I saw it go down for a split second.
Yeah, for real.
No, that's how a lot of traders get messed up, right? They see the market move a little bit. Oh, I got to jump in. And then it reverses on them.
There could be a recorrelation play here where NQ needs to drop about like 40 points. There could be. But if we're not going to get it, then I would want to see a bullish candle close above like 440. Otherwise, I'd be betting on the recorrelation play. 40 more points. The ideal target would be at 349, and then if you feel like getting out, you could start getting out at the 60s.
It's dancing. It's dancing a lot right here. Right at my entry, too.
I feel like it's just maybe some structure, maybe. Hopefully.
We got that buying wick there. I'm going to get ready to kill this. Let's see.
I feel like I'd want to see a reaction like right now to the downside, otherwise it's probably going.
This is 150K eval. That's why I'm letting it run a little bit longer. This is an eval, folks. Calm it down. And our music would end. Let's see if we get the push down now. Trying to do this without taking my eyes too much off the chart. We got to get through this 410 level. We lose this 410 level, we should be pretty good. All right, there. We lost that 410 level. But I'm going to want the full flush. Not liking that reaction. And I did size up on this trade as well. That's why I was moving a little bit bigger than normal. If someone's thinking like, oh, why is it going like that? We're back above that 410 level. Yeah. What type of slippage was that? That's crazy. Oh, when does the account get funded? What firm was it with, Forecaster? What firm was it with? Let me get off these. Tradeify is not my friend today. Tradeify, give it. Well, make sure you hit for your consistency rule, and you have all your trading days, everything like that. And sure enough, as soon as I close, this thing's going. I'm waiting. We gotta break out. Probably get below 374.75.
Honestly, I hate that these candles are all just like right next to each other.
Yeah.
But I mean, hopefully it'll go down just because like the last time we were kind of chopping like this, we ended up pushing down and made a new low.
Come on, get me out of this trade already. Come on, Betsy. We got buying pressure down here. That's the issue. I'm trying to fight the buyers. That's never a good sign.
I think right now we're also at the very bottom of the 15-minute orb.
Yeah, we're down. Let me just kill that. I may stop trading. I'm just messing up some of these evals right now. I was fighting the market there. That's my own fault. Let me recenter and refocus. We're back above the 21 EMA. Let's see, we build some type of flag. Like for me, like the eyes were definitely showing a potential bear flag there, but I gotta look at that 5 minute moving forward for today. Because that 5 minute shows a bull flag.
Honestly, price is just getting like super duper tight, even on ES as well.
Yeah. Well, when that happens, we gotta wait. We're right below the middle of the 15 minute range as well. 490, 490.75 is the middle of the 15 minute range. So yeah, we just gotta wait. Because I'll possibly clean up some of those accounts, possibly not. We'll see how it wants to act. But right now I'm hands off, just waiting. Yeah, this consolidation. Come on, Betsy. What we going to do? If we get through the middle of that 15-minute range, I may be looking for a potential long 1-minute bull flag. Yeah. We're sitting right here, middle of the 15-minute range. Literally, we're sitting right in the middle. So let's clear it. Let's get above the middle. Are we getting ready to test the highs of today's range? Let's see. I'm waiting. I gotta see something I like right now because gotta see something I like.
I was responding to a text message and I seen that we just broke above the 440s. Damn.
I just made $40. Hey, check that out. Thought I closed more than $40, but okay. Actually. Ooh, I have not logged into this forever. Wow. I'll have to do this later. I was getting ready. I was logging back into my take profit account. I haven't logged in so long. I was going to switch to trading as a company instead of a personal. Well, I'll have to do all that later. I gotta change the music. Where's my guy? There's my guy. Let's see if we get a bull flag here. I'll be down for a bull flag play. We're above the middle of the 15-minute range. How will I know if I'm if you go, it'll tell you if you're micro scalp compliant. You can only have 50% of your profits from micro scalping with Tradeify. Watching my Renkos right now. Waiting to see if we get this bull flag on the 2 minute that I could jump in on. Want to see some follow through. Tap my yellow line, came down. No micro. That is correct. There is no micro scalp rule on TPT. Just add some more to this account. Let me check it actually. I'm gonna start cleaning up one of the other accounts that. Yeah, I'll start cleaning that one up. I want to see some momentum right now. Definitely want to see some momentum. I'm going to clean this eval up. But we got to have the momentum to be able to clean it up. Not like it, we have no momentum right here. So I made like $50 right there or less. Just when we got that selling wick. So that's why I closed out as well. Not trying to go long into a selling wick. That's bad for business. Are we trying? Is this thing getting ready to try rolling? We definitely have more selling pressure than buying pressure right now. Just looking at these Renkos. Let's see. We need to get above 548.25 and honestly 555.50 would be the candle I want to get above, where we could probably have a little bit cleaner sailings without the chop, and we would be targeting the high of that 15-minute range, 584. So I'll wait for that. We clear these previous candle wicks. I may take along for that. Try and creep up a little bit. $550.50. This is the level I want to see us get through. because right now we're tight, slightly chopping. No reason to get chopped. This is an eval that I'm trading at this point. I've already put money in multiple funded accounts. Over $1,000. So now we're just waiting to clean this account up. Just popped out the high of the 15-minute range there. Just popped out the high of that 15-minute range. Coming up as well to that 604.25. 604.25 was the high for the overnight session, we'll say. This account's down now, only 690. Should I take another trade on it? We'll see. Let me see what's actually on for the balance now, actually. Oh, that hasn't updated yet? Okay. There's the retest of the high of the 15-minute range. Now, if we want to expand out of here, that would be the play. We're above the 550.50 level. We're right here, right at the high of the 15. Getting ready to break out once again, possibly. Are we going to get that breakout? Let me move this line up. This would be the bull flag area that I'm looking for. BP, how you doing, bro?
Doing all right. I actually have a order set on ES at 455. It's probably gonna smoke me, to be honest. It's a risky trade.
That's why you were so quiet. He's like, oh, let me do this risk trade real quick, quietly.
Yeah, I haven't gotten filled yet, but I'm just waiting. If the shorts play out right now, that'd be crazy, though.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting to see if we break out of this 15-minute range on the NQ. I'll take a long if we do.
Yeah, NQ is definitely stronger for longs. ES has just been experiencing a lot of selling pressure, but I'm kind of pre-firing the short a little bit.
Oh, that fill was beautiful. That fill was freaking beautiful. Oh, that wasn't beautiful, though. I'll tell you that. What in the world was that?
Crazy. It like edged my TP.
Let me close that. I had the most glorious fill.
I'm probably about to, yeah, it's probably about to zip up now.
Let me close that out because I do not like how it just did on those Rinkos. Tons of volume just dropped in. Oh, that's we're sitting right at that 600 level. That's why. I was like, why did volume just drop in like so hard like that? Thankfully, I was able to get out of that green. I should have closed when I was up 700. I was slightly greedy. Full transparency. It happens sometimes.
For me, it happened in a blink of an eye. I couldn't even close mine. It went down to like 200 something, and then went right back up to break even.
Yeah.
I'm still in the short though. I probably should just close it.
I'm not looking at ES, so I can't tell you what it's trying to do. You know what I'm saying? I want to get above that 604 level at this point because we got a lot of selling pressure protecting that 604 right now. Lots of selling pressure. Back into the 15-minute range. Come on.
I'm just holding this trade still. I've taken a couple partials. I've taken 3 micros off my trade already.
Let's freaking go. Come on. There we go. That counts back to green. We are down 1,400. Profit 340. We're done cleaning that one up, boys. We're done cleaning that one up. We'll take that. And now I'm going to clean up. The slippage in this account was horrible. Yeah, I'm going to clean this one up. This is 150K eval that I closed out at like 2,000 something. And it just hey, make your money, bro. Make your money.
I'm only trailing with 2 micros. Oh, I'm out. That was a good trade.
W for BP this morning. W, bro.
Man, I shouldn't have partialed out so early. I took 3 micros off at like the top.
Let's see if I can clean this one up now. There we go. That's what I liked. Oh, why is it like that? That's weird. Oh, it hasn't updated. I'm like, oh, that don't look right. Noah, have a good one, bro. Brett, keep sharpening that iron, fam. Keep sharpening that iron. We got the 21 EMA. 506. I feel like we're going to go down and tap that 506 level. Or is this going to be one big bull flag on the 2 minute? I'm not sure. I want to clean this account up, but I'm like, do I try? That's the question.
ES has come down and swept out some of these lows now, and NQ has started to hold like some bullish pressure. If NQ doesn't come back down to 480, then we might see bullish pressure again. Because I'd be looking for it to come try to recorrelate at 480. But if we don't get that recorrelation, then it's going to be a bullish SMT.
So just cleaned up $200 right there. We're just going to base hit. Clean this thing up, slow and steady.
W. just took 200. This is 3 times more the amount.
Clean that up.
W.
Let's see if we break through my yellow. I honestly want to get through that 600 level. Like, I'll probably wait. I'll probably wait now. I'll probably wait a couple minutes. Let's see if we're able to get through that 600 level without me. This is looking like the bull flag here. All right, there's the 600. Getting ready to hit that 604. There we go. Just cleared it out. Cool.
Sorry, I hope I didn't put pressure on you to get out early.
Oh, no. I locked in profit. I'm not tripping. 677. 677 is my target from the 15-minute range here. Oh, I did not get tagged in. Now I'm about to get tagged. I closed it. I did not get filled. Whoa, volume dump. Let me close that. I do not like when we get that volume on the Renkos like that. No, thank you. Possibly build us another bull flag here. We got a minute left on this candle. I'm not compliant with micros. Yes, honestly, I would stop trading for today, right? If you already hit your profit target, stop trading for today. Because tomorrow you're going to need to take some more trades. What percentage are you with the micro scalping on Tradeify? Are you at like 50 something? Are you 60%? What is it? Because you have to hold a trade longer than 10 seconds. And that's the only way you can start getting compliant with that. But I would stop trading for today so it can reset for tomorrow. Then tomorrow you'll be in your trades a little bit longer if you already hit your profit target. Oh, it's a growth account? Okay. Yeah, honestly, bro, do the select accounts. They're way better than the growth accounts, to be real. It's in your dashboard. So in your dashboard, you'll select your account. You'll select whichever one you're on. You'll click view details, and then it'll show you what percentage you are for micro scalping. And it'll say micro scalping compliant. It'll be green or red. Just waiting right now. I'm waiting for this. Feel like it wants to do another bull flag here, but I'm not jumping in until I know for sure. We're cleaning this account up slowly but surely. Already cleaned up one of the other account evals I had that I had oopsie in. What's up, Kenneth? Just cleaned up some more there. Yeah, you did not fail, bro. You did not fail. I'm just base hitting. Couple $100 each hit. Cleaning this account up. Taking the time. The target I called out was the 677.25. 677.25 was the target. If I could get this down like another $1,000, I'll probably kill it there for me cleaning this up. But we'll see. We have 7 minutes for 11. 7 minutes for 11. And we have news at 11 today as well. So keep that in mind, folks. 11 o'clock, we got news. I would love to see some type of a flag action. With good follow through. All right, I need $900 more to get this to $1,000 loss on this one for the day. This is 150K eval that I've been cleaning up here. Come on, give me the pump. That's not the pump. Give me my rocket ship for this flaggy flag. Pre-ran it slightly there. We got less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes here for the 11 o'clock news. Coulda, woulda, shoulda stayed. Forecaster, no, sir. It is not cooked because of the micro scalping rule. You just have to trade for more days now. You need to get your percentage down to at least 50% for the micro scalp. Bro, honestly, I need to just learn how to program my little soundboard because I have the soundboard. I've just never programmed. I tried like one time and it didn't work. So I'm all right, never mind, I'm not doing it type deal. But I agree. Because I have something that says like cha-ching. Or like when we make like a small, super small base hit, it'll be like coins hitting the table or something. For the pocket change we made.
Another thing I've seen before is you can set up like certain bots where chat can like, for certain people in chat, like members only or like certain that, they can basically do like a command and then it'll do the same thing.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be cool. Well, we hit that first target that I called out from the 15-minute range. So we did just tap that thing. And now we're coming up on 11 o'clock news. So I'm holding wait. I'll be getting out of here probably within the next like 5-6 minutes here. I was able to clean this account up a little bit. I'm okay with how much I did clean up on it. Because it was down $3,300. So this thing's still pumping. Ooh. If I would have just stayed a little bit longer in that trade, we would have been back to green.
I had an order that was slightly too low and it didn't get tagged, but that would have been an easy win.
Forecaster, yes, you could pass it in a day. That does not mean you lose your account. No, you'll be able to trade it tomorrow. You just can't pass it in one day because of the micro scalp. That's okay. You made too much profits micro scalping. That's all it is. And the way you fix it, you gotta put more profits in that aren't micro scalp. 11 o'clock hit. We're right below the first target. Two-minute rule for Tradeify.
Seconds.
What was that, BP?
Isn't it 10 seconds for Tradeify?
Yeah, for the micro scalp on Tradeify, it's 10 seconds. But say you have trades less than 10 seconds, only 50% of your profit could be from that. Less than 10 seconds. 50%, that's a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like at the end of the day. Oh, Nellies. Oh, Nellies. Okay, we'll clean that up a little bit more there again. Just keeping it simple. That's all I do, and that's why I'm able to get simple results. I'm not looking for a home run. I'm not looking for a rocket ship or a water. I'm just looking for small base hits that I can clean this up with. Let's see, we build another bull flag right here. I only got like a few minutes and I gotta go. Hey, let's go, forecaster. Yeah, once you're able to jump on your computer, you'll be able to see what percentage you are for the micro scalp. So it may not take a lot of profits to be able to get it. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta see where you're at. Come on, Betsy. Oh, I didn't. I was not fast enough on that trigger. Right now, the market's using my entry as some like resistance. Yeah, I'm getting ready to kill this. Like the Bulls want to push it, but they need a little bit more steam. There we go.
This is a W push up. It shows on here that ES dumped real quick and then took out some lows, formed like super minor at bullish S&P, and then NQ started pushing up.
We'll take that. We'll definitely take that. Well, I just cleaned this up to less than $1,000 in the red. This was $3,300 in the red. We got that second target. I'll stay till 11:10. 11:10. So 8:45 left on this. Still pushing up here. $7.35 left. I just did something I don't recommend y'all do. Like, I know it has to like give us a little pullback down a little bit, so I took a quick little short there for a quick $100.
Is it Tradeify or Lucid that has like the little or it might be My Funded Futures that has like the little tiny it's like a little like brick little 3D thing, and it has like your stats on it, and like one of them is like a recovery factor.
I haven't seen that one.
Oh, okay, that's probably My Funded Futures then.
The guy and sell buttons on the screen are from Ninja. Yes, those are from Ninja, bro. I would love to see some type of a flag right here.
I just looked at your screen. That looks like a big old stair step.
Come on. $6.05 left on this. $5.55 left. Let's go green. I just gave $500 back. Oh well. I tried doing what I've been doing. Didn't work in my favor that time. Is this gonna be a small little bull flag? I mean, a small bull flag. Yeah, this thing's starting to move a little bit slower too. Yeah. We have that second target. We've been stair stepping, creeping up to 77025. 77025. Come on. There we go. Yeah, baby. I'm still alive. Yeah, I'll be getting off shortly.
Alrighty, Dwayne. I'm sorry to get out of here. But
Yeah, I'm getting ready to jump off too. Let this thing play out real quick, and I'm tuning off also. Because I gotta go handle some other stuff. I'll probably just get ready to kill this, actually. You have a good rest of your day, bro, all right? Don't work too hard today.
I appreciate you. I hope you have a good rest of your day, too. And whatever you got to take care of, I hope it isn't too
No, it's just invoicing for one of the businesses, so. Pretty simple.
Gotcha. Yeah. Slowly learning that paperwork does start to take up a little bit.
Yep. Gotta love the paperwork.
Yeah.
Well, all right, man. Well,
Alrighty,
enjoy your
well,
day.
You take care and peace out, Legacy. I hope all y'all have a good day, and I hope y'all made money with us. Take care, Dane.
All right, brother. So close that. I guess I'll end this at the 5:45, and we're going to keep it moving. Getting real tight up here right now, real tight, real choppy. So, but I'll gladly take 5:45 red instead of 3,300. So that's a W all in itself, being able to clean up that much. If the markets were moving a little bit faster, I'll try to clean it up more, but I'm calling it at the 5:45. Legacy family, YouTube, nothing but love. Hopefully you enjoyed today's session. I will catch y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Stay blessed, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Catch y'all later. Adam, have a good one, brother. I'm getting out of here.